Bitcoin price tumbles 6% as post-Bitcoin ETF sell. The fact reaction comes in. How low can the BTC bears push the price? Alt equals Joel Frank SRC equals https://simd co/authors/884/responsive images /310,170,788,443,905,671,162,233 4,489,439,176,282,530,633 N media library original 300 JPG class equals fluid circle loading equals auto. Joel Frank last updated January 11, 2024 23:57 EST 3. Min read disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Width equals 1280, height equals 853, SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,729,253 Bitcoin media library or a media library original 1280,853 1. JPEG class equals attachment post thumbnail size post thumbnail WP post image alt equals decoding equals async SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,729,253 Bitcoin media library or a media library original 1280,853 1. JPEG 1280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,729,253 Bitcoin media library or a media library original 1280,853 1 300x100 JPEG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,729,253 Bitcoin media library or a media library original 1280,853 11024x682 JPEG 1924 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,729,253 Bitcoin media library or a media library original 1280,853 1768x512 JPEG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,729,253 Bitcoin media library or a media library original 1280,853 1150 zone 00 JPEG 150 sizes equals max width 1280px 100VW 1280px/source Adobe/Luisa. The Bitcoin BTC price has tumbled more than 6% from the mid $46,000s to the mid $43,000s as the post-spot Bitcoin ETF sell. The fact reaction comes in. The U.S. SEC approved the launch of the first 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs on Wednesday. Trade in the new Bitcoin investment products went live on Thursday and was a big success. As per LSEG data cited by Reuters, the new spot Bitcoin ETF saw $4.6 billion in trading volumes on Thursday. Higher than expected demand helped propel the Bitcoin price to fresh two-year highs above $49,000 at the time. But the Bitcoin price has since succumbed to a wave of profit-taking. When the Bitcoin price high $49,000 on Thursday, that took its spot Bitcoin ETF optimism-fueled rally in the past 5 months to a staggering 90%. Some analysts had warned that this rally left the market vulnerable to a profit-taking fueled pullback, or a so-called sell-the-fact reaction. Friday's bearish price action suggests that the sell-the-fact reaction is starting to come in. Reports that Bitcoin miner outflows to exchanges has hit a 6-year high might also have upset the market. Miners need to periodically send their BTC to exchanges to sell in order to fund their mining costs. Crypto quant analyst Bradley Park told the crypto press that mining pool F2O Pool was behind much of the recent outflows. He noted that F2O Pool may be selling coins to fund miner upgrades ahead of the halving. How low can the bears push the Bitcoin BTC price? The Bitcoin price's latest dive has seen it break below a 1-week uptrend. BTC is currently probing for a break below its 21 DMA, which sits at $44,000. A convincing break below here would open the door to a test of the 50 DMA at $42,400 and an uptrend from December, but risks are tidal towards an even bigger dip in the Bitcoin price. Data presented by CoinGlass.com shows that the latest price drop hasn't been fueled by speculators getting liquidated. As per the derivatives analytics website, $64 million worth of leveraged long Bitcoin futures positions were stopped out on Friday. That's much smaller than recent long liquidation events, such as on the 2nd of January and 10th of December. The risk is that as the price continues to decline, the fall is accelerated as long position liquidations rise. Futures open interest at 2-year recently pumped to fresh 2-year highs above $19.5 billion. High participation in the Bitcoin derivatives market by speculators suggests the price remains at a high risk of liquidation. Event-fueled volatility, including to the downside. If Bitcoin fell below December support levels between $40,000 and $41,500, things would really get interesting. While a return to sub-$40,000 levels is possible, it's questionable as to how long the Bitcoin price would remain at these levels. Here's why Bitcoin bulls will buy the dip. Bitcoin ETF demand and an upcoming Fed cutting cycle are expected to provide long-term support to the Bitcoin price. Meanwhile, reduced supply once the Bitcoin halving takes place in April is also likely to provide long-term tailwinds. Bitcoin continues to almost perfectly track its usual 4-year market cycle. BTC has historically rallied for around 3 years following each year-long bear market. Each of these rallies has historically seen the Bitcoin price blast past its prior record highs. 14 months on since its price bottomed around $15,000 in November 2022, Bitcoin is well on its way back to its 2021 highs around $69,000. But if history is any guide, this bull market could see the Bitcoin price easily surpass $100,000 within the next 22 months. Historical patterns plus the aforementioned cocktail of positive fundamentals mean that dip buying demand for BTC will likely remain strong. As a result, the bears are unlikely to be able to push the Bitcoin price substantially below $40,000